We are here at Lena's Pizza, Subs and Wings. So this is the best place. I believe that I tasted here in Fredonia, New York, that they make their own pizza, which is very good. And look at this guy here. He might be one of the player of the football. Look at him up there. And he's the one baking this pizza. So anyway, if you have chance to come here and then able to like a chance to buy here and pass by here, don't forget to come here. Okay, alright guys, ito po ang loob ng kanilang dining. It's a small one. Ayan ang pizza, pepperoni, and also we have the buffalo chicken wings. Look at that. So anyway, lalabas na tayo. Thank you. So we got our order at Lena's. This is it, okay?
You got me up in that.
Okay guys, dito tayo ngayon sa downtown ng Fredonia. It's Saturday, so they have this little flea market right here. So may pabilihan ng mga pagkain, also, like the normal flea market. And they have a little bit of singing too.
Got a recipe for strawberry.
So, marami din silang mga pabiling prutas at saka mga vegetable na which is really fresh from their garden here. But it's really nice that they have all this here they're selling. Alright, titikman natin itong maple candy made of Digolier Company. Alright, let's try this maple. Masarap siya, lalo na pag ihalo mo siya sa tea sa pang-umaga. So anyway, meron din silang mga maple syrup. Alright guys, thanks again for watching our small clip video here. And we will continue to go around here at the city of Fredonia. This is a really small town and it's like old city, so you can see a lot of antiques. So we're gonna go around and see some more.